Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video I thought I'd show you the Popband hair ties, as they kindly sent me a few to try out, and I've tried these hair ties before and I'm in love, so I just thought I'd do a video showing you what they're like and just why you should buy them, because they will change your lives forever. So they basically are a brand that do hair ties which don't kink your hair. Now if you want to have straight hair like me, have it in a high ponytail, and then the next day have hair down, which as most girls know, that doesn't really happen. But with these hair ties, you can actually do that. So I'm really impressed with that. It's just a lifesaver for me. I can go one day hair up really high, next day hair down, no kinks, no problems. It is just worth it, worth it. So you can find them online at thepopband.com, and I'll put the link in the description bar below so you can go and see all their products. But they've got loads, they've got solid hair ties, they've got the ties that I'm going to show you, and they just have so many things. They have headbands, they have anything, you name it, and I just think that they are brilliant. They just released a new range, so they have like a watermelon range and they also have a banana range, and when I saw these I fell in love. I need to get my hands on them, so I will do that. They are £8 each and you can find them online, or I believe you can find them in Superdrug and Boots and Marks and Spencer's, so anywhere there, and they are £8. So they came in this little makeup bag, kind of like travel bag should we call it, and it's just got Popband on it. They have quite a few colours. I was lucky enough to be sent the pink one. I love pink. So you can find their makeup bags on their website, and they are £10, which you can get a pink, blue, black and a yellow one, and I quite like them all. They'll come very handy when you travel or anything, so I'm really thankful that they sent me one of those because I will definitely be using them. So I have been using these, so they are a bit all over the place. I was sent the pink flamingo set. As I mentioned, I love pink, so when I received these flamingo ones, that was it, sold. So I've been loving these. I've worn the flamingo one, which I've tried to put back on here, because once you use them they don't really go back on the cards, so yeah, that's a shame that they don't really go back on the cards. But I have used the flamingo one and the bright pink one, so I'm happy with that. They have got like a textured one here, which is kind of like glittery, but it's like textured, and I'm not a fan of them. They kind of like pull on your hair when you use them, but you can use them as bracelets, as they say. So I recommend using these ones as bracelets. And they also sent me the khaki ones, which when I opened them, I just fell in love. I've had an obsession with khaki for quite some time now, and I just had to. So I've been wearing the lightest khaki one recently, and I plan to wear the rest, but I do like to wear them on my wrists as well with these ones, because it just gives the outfit a bit more of an oomph. So yeah, I actually really like these ones. And they also sent me the really bright luminous ones, and I actually have these already, as I got them in a gift bag at an event, and that's when I started to know who they were and what they were like, and I just fell in love with it then. So I'm familiar with these ones, I knew what ones I liked, and again, I'm not keen on these textured ones, but that's fine. So I'm really happy with these. And then you just pop them back safely in the little bag that it came with, and I just think it is brilliant. It's a grand idea. And that is it for my little review on these Popband hair ties. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I post regularly about makeup and other reviews that you might want to see, so you don't want to miss them, so please subscribe. And that's it from me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!